is learn how to brew. Make some quality homebrew I can share with my friends and family, and hopefully have some fun along the way. Never made a video before, so excuse my expertise. I'm not the best, but I'm gonna learn. I bought some homebrew equipment on eBay, quite cheap. Didn't pay a lot for it. I've got no expertise in any of this, so I'm gonna learn as we go, and hopefully you can learn along with me. So let me just show you what I got. I've got a large vessel there and some barrels. This here, bottle washer, I believe. Spoon. There she is. And I got some grain, which I guess the person I bought them from had some experience. There's loads of different types of barley and all sorts of things in there, so that'll be fun. I'll put some of it together in a kit. So inside there we've got some capping stuff. Loads of little mesh bags in there. Don't really know what most of this is for yet, but I'll get there. There's loads of different temperature things. Yeah, all sorts of random stuff in there. Up here we've got some chemicals and things. We've got hydrometers, I think. Irish moss, pectolase. Yes, I guess I'm going to learn about some of this stuff in time. Some sugar. And down here, I've got some cleaning equipment. There's some siphons and buckets. Some cleaning stuff in there. And a bottle tree to dry the bottles. Now, I don't know what I'm doing. I came with a couple of books. This one. You can't see it's the other way around, but it's the Complete Joys of Home Brewing and Designing Great Beers. I started reading The Joy of Home Brewing, and it talks about 3 different types of brewing. It talks about all grain brewing. It talks about like brew in a bag type brewing, and it also talks about malt extract. Now I've come to the conclusion that the malt extract seems to be the easiest way to do it, so I think that's where I'm going to start. And the ultimate goal, I think, is to move on to the more complex brews that appear to give you more options as far as flavours and experimenting, and it seems quite technical. So, wish me luck, and perhaps you could, if you want to get into brewing, it seems like a nice hobby. You can join me, and we can go on this adventure together. It looks good. So, for Christmas I did receive this, which is a malt extract kit. So what I've done is I've used some of the equipment that I bought. Not a lot of equipment. It's in a fermenter at the moment. So inside of here were two large tin cans, pretty much like dog food cans. They're huge industrial tins of beans with a very sticky gloop inside of them, and I believe that was the malt extract. That's what where the sugars are contained. So I put those on the hob for a few minutes to warm them up inside a pan of water at very low temperature, because obviously the risks are quite vast when it comes to exploding tins. So just warmed the contents up slightly so that it was slightly less viscous. I was able to pour it into the bottom of fermenter, clean fermenter. And added 6 pints of boiling water to that, as described. And then topped up to 23 litres, or as you saw, 20, just over 23 litres. And then sprinkled on top, as instructed, 2 sachets of yeast that were included in the kit. And then in 4 days time, I'll be adding these little puppies. And these came with the kit. Amarillo hop pellets. Now I think we'll probably have a discussion, because I've read some things about hops, and we will talk a bit more about hops at some point when I know more. But they seem to come in 2 different versions. You've got pellets, and you have the actual flower, or the bulb, or whatever it's known as. Yeah, the non-pellet format of hops. Now this one is Cascade hop pellets, 10 grams of each. And I guess they add some flavour. I don't know. I'm led to believe that they contribute to bitterness, but there's something about boiling. Without an obviously I'm not going to be boiling anything, because it's fermenting. It's a few days off of hop, putting the pellets in. So, well, that's my introduction anyway. So just so you know, just to reiterate, I'm going to have an adventure, have a journey from not knowing anything about brewing to being able to achieve some quite complex and maybe quite large quantities of brew, maybe for friends and family, and hopefully get some nice feedback and see where it goes. But I'm looking forward to it. So perhaps if you could like, subscribe, comment, give me some suggestions about tips, hints. If you're starting to brew, just let me know how things are going for you. If you would like to follow along with me and we could learn together, that would be really nice. But I'll get back to you in a couple of days, and perhaps we can talk about some of the equipment I have, if I can read a bit more about it. And we'll also see the homebrew that I've got, the pellets going in. So yeah, thank you very much, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.